I would completely recommend it to every single person, just to spend those few minutes with yourself and go deeper and just know yourself better. Mine is burpees. I hate burpees. I hate it with a passion. Some people like you fuller, some people think it's never enough. You're either too thin, too fat, so long as you're happy, that's important. Honestly, I've not been on the heavier side. I do put on weight and lose it equally fast. You'll be happy to know that has changed in lockdown, because I think I just let go in lockdown and I said, you know what? I'm never going to get this opportunity again, so I'm going to go and eat whatever I want. When we're not working, you can choose your timings, everything, but getting that routine in while working, and especially when it's like a 7 to 7 shift or a night shift, sometimes I feel like I'm pushing myself and my body doesn't want to work out. Or जब हम fitness की बात करते हैं, I don't think it's just physical exercise. I think it's even your your sleeping pattern, your food intake, and that became so important. So that's why for me it's a more holistic approach. And now in lockdown, I've enjoyed doing yoga, and I think doing that, not just physically but even mentally, just makes me really, really happy and gives me that peace and calm that I want to just take over the day. Okay, touch wood, honestly, I've not been on the heavier side. I do put on weight and lose it equally fast. Growing up, I loved dancing and swimming, and I would constantly be doing some form of physical activity after school. But when I got into the movies, I consciously made an effort to make it a part of my routine. And just like you brush your teeth or do anything else, I said, no, I have to take out that 1 hour and do something. Yeah. And I feel like, I read this somewhere where it says, we all get really like, oh my God, I don't want to go to the gym, or, I don't want to go for my workout or a run or whatever. But no, there's never been a bad workout. Like, you'll never work out and after that be like, I hated it. You actually love it. Yeah. So finally, I think because you've experienced that, you know that it's just about getting yourself to the gym or to the track or to the dance class or wherever you have to go, whatever form of workout you like doing. And I'm not somebody who can do like fad diets or like keto or intermittent. The healthiest I do, which you've seen on set, is like eating ghar ka khana, and for me it's boiled without too much masala, and it's usually the same food, which I genuinely enjoy eating. So for me, I would look forward to my bhindi and my salmon and my pumpkin. Those are the things which I love. I've not been super conscious about, maybe I should be. Sometimes when I look back at my films, I'm like, I thought I was looking my best there, but actually, because you do look slightly, how they say, the camera puts on a little bit of weight. But then some people like you fuller, some people think it's never enough. You're either too thin, too fat, so long as you're happy, that's important. So I think I'm not very conscious of this is the angle. I let my team behind the camera tell me, you have somebody looking into that. So I think I would love to. I haven't had to. I've always played the girl next door so far. But I would love to, and I'd really love to do an action film where I have to get those abs and I have to get those toned legs and just like flaunt it and do all of that and do all the tricks and like do gymnastics, because it's something which I feel you'll take it even more seriously when you're working towards that role. But even if I had to put on weight, I mean, getting paid to eat, why not? Definitely. Bring it on.
You're open to taking up the challenge for different roles.
Totally. I did. Even in Kabir Singh at the end, because I was pregnant, my director wanted me to look a little fuller. Because in the film, I play a very young girl, and then it just suddenly flashes to when she's pregnant. So for that particular scene, I remember him telling me, he said, have some red wine or have some meat. And I don't, I'm a teetotaler, I don't drink at all. So I'm like, that I don't do. He's like, eat some meat. But I said, that day I said, chalo, I'll eat paratha, I'll do whatever. I had like extra salt in my food, which I don't have at all. And sometimes I really cut down on that. So I enjoyed my food so that I had that little fuller look at the end. So I would if I was asked to, I guess. Mine is burpees. I hate burpees. I hate it with a passion. But it's the one thing that really works. Like if I do, a good number of burpees, I know that I've sweated out. It's a great workout in itself. But we've all had highs and lows in life. I have studied psychology, so I know the severity of it. And it is very difficult for someone who's going through it. And I think you said it in your sentence, you said breathe easy. And breathing is actually one of the best things. I mean, every time I'm a little anxious or I did have a phase where I thought I was just having major anxiety, and it happens before something important's coming up, or when there's a lot of uncertainty, especially in this field. And at this time, I think so many people must have gone through that, whether it's been a bout of depression or anxiety, or so many other mental related health issues. It's just very, very difficult. But the first thing you do is just take those deep breaths in. And meditation is something that has really, really helped me calm down, center myself, and I would completely recommend it to every single person, just to spend those few minutes with yourself and go deeper and just know yourself better. And that's why I started enjoying yoga, because I started practicing. Deepika and Katrina,
I think super
how?
fit.
I think they work really hard at it, and they're just gifted also.
And also they got such a beautiful height.
That's exactly.
Yeah.
That's the
So I
thing.
think they
They've
suddenly
just got
long
those
legs for days
and
looks really nice.
It looks amazing. They can wear anything and look amazing in it.